kot 80% malih in srednje velikih podjetij družinskih podjetij, kar pomeni, da so družinska podjetja pravzaprav ključna v slovenskem gospodarstvu ob velikih podjetjih. Kako se razvijajo, kaj se z njimi dogaja, kakšne imajo ambicije po rasti, pa izjemno vpliva tudi na to, kako hitro bomo v Sloveniji se razvijali naprej.
In my opinion, the most important thing is to keep united the family. To know that it's important to set down the rules and among the family members, but to keep harmony within the family. That keeping united the family means a wealthy development of the business at the same time.